This is Ground Media UG.
Mwanange mwebalire ddala alamusiza nnyo, mwebale okutwagala kiswa abantu bonna abaze wano beebaza sirina kyegongera bingi. Nkyani ayogera wano, nze bali sinakolite kujja kwogera namwe nga siyasoma naye na ngezaako kugamba nze siyasoma naye saagala abaana bange bamulimule nga nze, neteekako amaanyi ne minisita Gawa Lawrence fena ne tujoininga wamu leero essanyu lino ne kitiibwa kino kyemukadde lwakuba ffe tuli gumu ne minisita Gawa. Katono akatono ketukola tuyunga netuteekako abaana baffe kusoma na budde bongo nasoma just primary 4 siyasoma abaana ba campus banyigiriza oluzungu katonotono naye sisobodde okwogera mwebalire ddala byonna webale abakuleetedde sente abasipirituali abakukambatinga nze kati nasigala bumu naye siriwo n'abaana
Hello. My duty is very simple. It's to introduce my family and let you know where we are going to rest Baba. So I'm going to start by introducing our eldest firstborn with our family, Jackie Dawa. She was the one with Mose until the last moment. She took care of me. She's followed by my Peter Fox, who has made money using, because we look alike, he has made money off me. Kaya Fezabantu. This is the second. My sister was not around in Canada. The third, then we have Lady Isa, who works with GT Bank. Then our late brother, Alex Adugaremo, who passed on in 2001. Then my sister, who is also in Canada, Abiria Susan. Then me, that Mose was like, I'm still strong. But this one was always producing. This one. Then our last born, Thomas Arobe, he follows me. That is the family of Mr. Dawa. We have our eldest, the eldest is not around, it's called Kerega, but it's not here. So, Mr. Dawa, Baba, as we all know him, is going to be laid to rest at his home in Komamboga. For those who don't know where Komamboga is, there's a very famous street called Igida, opposite, just a few meters down. That's where his house is, and that's where he's going to be laid to rest. So many people are wondering why he's not going to be rested in Koboko. There is a lot, when it comes to families, there will be good and bad things. So we still have issues with the people at home. And his wish was to be rested at his house. And later, probably, when everything has been resolved, we take him home. And we are following his wish. So the burial is going to be happening 2 p.m. We're hoping from here, we just head straight there. And then we send off this amazing man. We lay him to rest. I want to thank you for the love that you have shown my father. Unofficially, he is 92 years. Officially, according to the Dagamuntu, he's 85. But he had to cut some years to join the army. Basically, corruption started from way back. Daniel. So forgive the Speaker of Parliament. Our ancestors were the ones who started it. She's just replicating. But I want to thank each and every one of you for loving our father. Yesterday at the vigil, the love was amazing. And you're here on a working day. So I'm going to hand over back to the MC and a special thanks to the clergy. Thank you so much for a wonderful service, for a wonderful mass. Special thanks to Rhino Funeral Services. I'm coming. These Westliners also. Special thanks to the MC. Mr. Marshall Alenio, we have grown up together and he's a brother. We have to get a guy who has run out of tears because he stood as an MP and lost, so he has cried enough. So he had no tears. That's why we use him as an MC. Otherwise we did not need you, bro. But thank you for a good job. To my family, take heart. Mzee has run his race. Let us celebrate him. To my mama, Uchali Mbogo. One of the strongest women I know in the world. So guys, God bless you all and I wish you all the best in your lives.
Surely, for the big family, let's give them a big clap. I'm also very happy that Mommy could remember me, a little stubborn boy.